In this video, I'll show you how to create a Tonkeeper wallet. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and search for Tonkeeper. Make sure you download the official Tonkeeper wallet app, because crypto wallets must always be installed from trusted sources. After the app is installed, open it to begin the setup. On the welcome screen, tap Create New Wallet. Tonkeeper will generate a new wallet for you on the Ton blockchain. This wallet can be used to receive, store, and send Ton-based assets, such as Toncoin, tokens, and NFTs, supported by the app. Next, Tonkeeper will show you a recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. This phrase is the most important part of your wallet setup. It is the backup key that lets you restore your wallet if your phone is lost, damaged, replaced, or reset. Write the recovery phrase down on paper and store it somewhere safe. Do not save it in screenshots, notes apps, cloud storage, email, or chat messages. Anyone who gets this phrase can access your wallet and move your funds, so never share it with anyone. After writing it down, Tonkeeper may ask you to confirm some of the words from the recovery phrase. This step makes sure you copied the phrase correctly. Select the requested words in the correct order and continue. Now create a passcode for the Tonkeeper app. Choose a code that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Depending on your phone, you may also be able to enable Face ID, fingerprint unlock, or another biometric option for faster access. Once the wallet is created, you will arrive on the main Tonkeeper screen. Here you can see your wallet balance, receive Toncoin, send crypto, swap tokens, connect to Ton apps, and manage your wallet settings. To receive Ton, tap Receive. Tonkeeper will show your wallet address and QR code. You can copy the address and send it to the person or exchange sending you Toncoin. Always make sure the sender is using the correct Ton network. Before adding larger funds, consider sending a small test transaction first. This helps confirm that the address is correct and your wallet is working properly. And that's how you create a Tonkeeper wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.